chopped onion to your soup maker. If your soup maker has a chopping function, use it to slice up the onion. If you prefer, you can add oil now and saute the onions, but I'm just going to skip sauteing the onions. I've found it makes no big difference to this soup. So in goes in some cooking oil, about a tablespoon or 2. We are then going to add the vegetable stock. Next goes in the apples, parsnip. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I should have chopped the garlic with the onion, but I forgot. But it's totally fine. You can just add it now. Salt to taste and a teaspoon of curry powder. You can use more or less curry powder depending on how you like your soup. I've added in 2 cups of vegetable stock. You want to make sure you don't go past the maximum fill line displayed on your soup maker. Next, we're just going to close our soup maker, and I'm going to select the smooth soup setting. You can also do the chunky soup depending on how you prefer your soup, and we're going to let this cook. So the soup is done. You'll notice it's quite thick. We're just going to add some milk to lighten it up a bit. You can add plant milk if you prefer, or even cream, but I wanted to make this recipe without cream, so I'm just gonna add in some milk. You can also adjust the consistency with vegetable stock if you prefer.